knocking on the door?
No.
Where has 2024 gone?
That's a great question.
Well, I tell you what, it felt a little like, I wouldn't say summer, maybe early summer this past weekend. Phenomenal. But now, of course, we are in the winter. And we have to talk about snow once again.
I knew we would pay for it.
Of course.
We always do, right? January, you got to expect cold weather, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. The National Weather Service issuing a winter storm watch for Cuyahoga County, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula counties. This is a long one. It's actually from Wednesday morning through Sunday morning. So that's when we expect the most widespread wintry weather. And I'll give you a little preview beyond the weekend, maybe even next Monday. We could have a winter weather event coming our way. We'll see. In the short term, periods of snow Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Travel headaches, travel issues, accumulations of at least 6 inches. Somebody out there in the snow belt is going to see a foot of snow by the second half of the weekend, probably around Chardon, Thompson, and surrounding areas. But before the snow gets here, we got to get through New Year's Eve. It's going to be rainy out there, so periods of rain on again, off again stuff during the day tomorrow, maybe heavy in the morning, and then occasional showers in the afternoon, transitioning to a wintry mix at night. So a lot going on here. Wintry mix overnight, changing to snow for your midnight plans if you're going to be out and about. Tomorrow, a great night, I think, to stay at home where it's nice and warm, especially by midnight, right? Because it's going to be getting colder and windier. But tonight, lighter winds. It was a crazy windy night yesterday and a crazy windy start to our day. It's not going to be like that tonight, but we will see increasing clouds tonight and we will drop into the 30s. We're going to walk you through New Year's Eve.
Watch.
Yes, which means we're watching for something to come our way, right? When you hear the term warning, that means that the threat is imminent, but this is something we are waiting on. So watch means we are waiting for periods of snow, travel headaches, and accumulations of over half a foot. I mean, I think somebody out here in Geauga County will end up with a foot of snow by the time it's all said and done. This is our winter storm watch Wednesday morning through Sunday morning. Cuyahoga County, Lake Ashtabula, and Geauga counties included in this. So this is obviously one of our bigger weather stories, but we can't get to New Year's Day and beyond without our final day of 2024. Hard to believe, and this is your first alert. It's going to be a very wet ending to 2024. Here's Future View. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow. The clock is above my head, so early morning commute if you are working tomorrow, probably fine, but watch everything kind of comes up from the south. So in Cleveland, it starts raining after 9:30, and it may be heavy at times. I think then we get this dry slot coming in where we're not actually seeing a ton of rain, but just kind of hit or miss showers out there through the afternoon into the evening. Certainly the heaviest rain in the morning. And then after 8, it starts to get colder. We're going to see that colder air wrapping around this system, and we will change over to a widespread wintry mix. This is midnight. Yeah, a little rain, little snow out there, wet roads. Of course, a good time to remind you about that lift code Chris was just talking about. Please be safe out there tomorrow. Always use rideshare. Always call someone for a ride, and just be careful. We want everybody to make it to 2025 safely, because you don't want to miss out on this, right? It's going to be 20 degrees on New Year's Day evening. It is going to get cold out there. Take a look at the first 4 days of 2025. They are very January-like, mid-30s on Wednesday. Then we're in the 20s Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and every day beyond, potentially even into the middle of the month.